This is why the birds got in the building to begin with. You can see that trim all along the edge of the building. And you see the droppings up down the wall. A little shaky for a second with this camera. And you see what happens with this trim here. It's just off the top. This is goes right over the edge, over the top, like that, and in. And the top one, yeah, it could also use some seals. It has insulation in there already, so I'm not too worried about the top one. It's this bottom one. And these birds just love to go up underneath this and climb around inside there. Hey. And there's your culprit right there.